Well, good morning. We're going rollbacking, as you can see right there. We're actually gonna go pick up a Jeep Cherokee a buddy of mine bought and bring it over to his shop. And it might run and drive, which will make it really easy because then we can just pull it out of the driveway and throw it on the truck. I guess transmission's slipping or something like that. So hopefully that's the case. It makes this job really easy and we can get it knocked out and on to the next one. But first, we got to go through a roundabout because that's what we do in Bend, Oregon. And as you can probably see, it is really smoky and nasty out. But there's no fires close to us. The smoke is actually coming from the big fires that are going on in Northern California right now, hundreds of miles away. And the other day it just came barreling in so bad and so thick we thought there must have been a fire right close, but nope, and hopefully it stays that way. Okay, we are maybe here. Should be a blue Jeep Cherokee, and I see it. It is right there. Oh, it doesn't look like it's moved in a while. Hopefully it'll start up and run. That'd make life a whole lot easier for me. Okay, so keys should be in it. Nice, got the leather interior. Got the key, and it's totally dead. Let's try to jump start it. Okay, throw our jump pack on here. Do everything one-handed. The hood latch doesn't work, so stay. All right, let's not hood latch, the hood prop. Oh, still 100% dead. Interesting. Okay, jump pack show there's a fault in the system, so something's up with that electrically, meaning we're gonna have to spin around back in there and drag it on, and I'm okay with that. Okay, since we got it on here, we'll show you how we strap down an 8-point tie down that's really 4 points. Take the little clamp off that holds the slack. Pull some slack out. Bring your dog bone up. A little more. Make a loop that goes over the tire like that. Tighten it down, clamp your slack, and it's that quick. Do the next one. Pull this dog bone up. Make a loop over the tire. You do have to watch for like brake lines and the shocks and stuff like that. ABS sensors on the back. You don't want to pinch that stuff. You shouldn't be that low on the tire anyway. Tighten it down. Clamp your slack. Make sure this on like a lower car something isn't this way where it could bounce and hit the body. Always face it away from the body. So that's it. We're all, oh, big airplane. We're all tied down, ready to go. See, the winch is slack so that it's not bouncing on the body and shock load and everything. And yes, I cheated and just hooked to the hitch on the back. So now we are ready to go. Let's hit the road. And we're off. That goes right back out to the main road where we came in, but it would be a nightmare to make a left turn right there. So we're gonna go out here and pop out on the other road and then go down, and we'll have a stoplight to make a left turn. And then we don't have to try to jump across traffic with this big old slow truck with a load on the back. I mean, it's not like super slow, but it's no race car. we can make an easy right turn. And then now we can make an easy left turn on a stoplight instead of trying to one street over, jump across traffic to get on this main busy street and head that way. In case you were wondering how baby trucks are made, and it just wouldn't be a drive through Bend, Oregon without going through a roundabout. You see, roundabouts are like magic portals that teleport you to another place when you go through them, because just like that, we're here. Okay, we're just over here spinning around so that we can be facing the right direction. We're gonna put it in a little parking spot up here by the shop. Plenty of room here. We are going to stick it right there somehow. Just roll it off to bed. Okay, we got all the straps off but one just in case strap. We're going to tighten up the winch, and then we can bring it back and set it down. Okay, it's in park with the brake on, so we'll slack the winch and see how it stays. And then now we can put it in neutral and see if we can get it into this spot over here with one hand. Look at that. Easy as could be. Okay, got all our straps laid back out with our fancy little clamps to hold them. Hook the bridle back up, so we'll just snug that back up. And then once you snug it up, slack the winch down, because if it's snug like that, what happens going down the road is the cable does that on the bed the whole way, and it's super annoying. So just slack it back down a little so it can't bounce, and we're good. All right, there we go. That was just a quick little tow for a buddy, kind of show some of how the rollback works and what it does. And that is it for this one. So we will see you guys next time.